In a video message at the concluding session of the 4th Environment and Climate Sustainability Working Group meeting, ECSWG, in Chennai today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stressed upon the importance of environmental protection. Both houses of parliament adjourned for the day following uproar by opposition parties on Manipur violence issue. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and his Japanese counterpart Hayashi Yoshimasa reviewed the progress made in the India-Japan Special Strategic and Global Partnership. Japanese Foreign Minister Yoshimasa Hayashi has said that India is an indispensable partner to ensure a free and open Indo-Pacific. In badminton, India's Lakshya Sen has entered the semi-finals of the Japan Open, defeating Koki Watanabe of Japan 21-15, 21-19.